We are inside Dino World, and what you can see are the different dinosaurs living during the Mesozoic era. There, this is the whole Dino World exhibit. As you can see, they also found some cave people taking pictures using their cameras. There. And they found out that some of the cavemen are handsome and young looking like me. So I hope you'll enjoy our tour inside the Dino World. Okay? And have with me is Mai Mai. Mai Mai is my guest. Mai Mai is one of those who belong to the Jurassic era, but we found her out inside the cave, and she's still alive. She's how many years old? 5 billion years old, but she still looks young because she's eating dinosaur eggs. You know the eggs of the dinosaur?
To keep me young. That's what I eat.
The eggs of the dinosaur is the one located near the penis. That's what she eats. And this is the Carnotaurus. The Carnotaurus lived around 0.7 billion years ago, and they're meat eaters. Kaya, Mai Mai, tulak tika.